Alright guys, so I just made some chicken thighs here. I'm going to use the broth and I'm going to actually make a chili from this chicken here. I'm also going to peel the chicken meat off and add some onions, put a whole bunch of vegetables, and put some chickpeas in there so it's a whole like a chili in there. So that's what I'm going to do. So just stay tuned guys, I just got this chicken all done, so I'm going to have to let it cool, rip the meat off, and then I'll be back. Alright, as you can see I cleared out the chicken and there's oil on top, so I'm going to put this in the fridge and then scoop up the oil. Here's the chicken all cleaned up there. I'm going to add the seasoning and everything, so this will be ready tomorrow, and I'll be back. Alright, so I chopped up some carrots and onions here to put in with the chicken. I'm waiting for the chicken broth to be ready, and then I can put all of this stuff in there with some seasoning, and then yeah. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna wait for it to be ready, and what I mean by that is getting ready so I can scrape off the fat on top. So I'll be right back. Alright, so as you can see, I put this in the fridge, and it's all jelly-like. All I did was I took off the fat, and then now we're ready to go. So we put all the things in there, and then gonna get it ready for this stew. Be right back. Alright guys, so it's all ready now, all super seasoned. So I'm gonna put this in, hit the meat stew button, and then just wait. I'll be back guys. Do a quick taste test for you. Alright guys, the stew is all done, so let's check it out. Here's some chickpeas there. Taste is actually really good. I used a different can of tomatoes this time. There's more of a flavor to it, and because the chicken's already done and it's in its own broth, it actually has a more like a real chicken noodle soup or chicken flavor. Definitely check it out, guys. If you have questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.